Sometimes a shift doesn't start with a major decision. It begins on a quiet Tuesday afternoon when the support team is stretched thin, calls coming in, tickets stacking up, everyone doing quick fixes. And someone suddenly wonders, what if all of this could run itself? What if we didn't need so many SaaS tools just to keep things moving? That thought came back to me after reading two recent headlines pointing in the same direction. The first is from ServiceNow. They introduced AI Experience, not a chatbot, but a way to connect customer service, IT, HR, and operations into one intelligent flow. The power isn't in the interface, it's in how it plugs directly into your own systems, tracking inventory, tickets, and internal rules. AI isn't standing outside the workflow anymore, it's becoming part of the machinery. The second comes from Oracle. Their Fusion Cloud CX update pushes deeper into agentic AI, an AI that doesn't just respond but acts. It chooses tools, checks data, breaks requests into tasks, and moves everything forward, almost like a CX lead who never loses context or energy. Put these stories together and the trend becomes clear. Companies are shifting from buying contact center SaaS to building their own AI-driven contact centers, not outsourcing, not depending on one vendor, but embedding intelligence into their internal operations. Why the shift? Because support today isn't just conversation, it's process. Order checks, inventory lookups, returns, escalations, hundreds of tiny decisions that typical SaaS tools only partially handle. ServiceNow and Oracle both point to the same idea. AI can now participate in the process instead of sitting on the edges. Imagine adding a teammate who knows every rule, every exception, every workflow path. Someone who remembers everything and never slows down. That's not a bot, that's operational intelligence. Leaders still worry about cost or data readiness, but the landscape is changing. Enterprises can assemble their own stack, a voice or chat entry point, a workflow engine, a memory layer, a set of tools, and an AI agent that actually decides and acts. Picture a customer reaching out. AI checks the order, checks stock, identifies it as a return, triggers the right flow, opens tasks, and replies clearly. No handoffs, no waiting. AI isn't replacing people. It's removing repetition so humans can focus on empathy and complex judgment. Customer service starts to behave like software, updated, improved, versioned. And when AI can understand and act across your operations, the real question is no longer technical. It becomes, are we ready to let intelligence move through the entire system?